What's up, y'all? It's New Year's Eve, and we're diving into something that will completely change how you approach your goals for 2025. Forget scissors, glue, and magazine cutouts. This year, we're using AI vision boarding to map out our dream life. I'm talking about using tools like ChatGPT and Claude AI to create a digital, actionable vision board that goes way beyond traditional methods. I tried it myself, and let me tell you, the results were shocking in the best way possible. Today, I'll show you exactly how I did it and share 5 powerful AI prompts to help you create your own vision board that works. If you're ready to start 2025 with clarity and purpose, keep watching. Now let's talk about why AI vision boarding is a game changer. Let's be real. Traditional vision boards are cute, but they're not always effective. You stick some pictures on a board and hope for the best. With AI vision boarding, we're creating a vision that's not just inspiring, but actionable. Here's why it's a game changer. AI helps you clarify your goals and break them into steps. You can personalize your vision with real strategies. It's flexible. You can update it as your goals evolve. This isn't about wishful thinking. It's about turning dreams into plans. The first step to creating an AI vision board is reflecting on 2024. You've got to know where you've been to figure out where you're going. Prompt. Let's recap 2024. Based on what you know about my year, help me reflect on my biggest wins, lessons learned, and areas for growth. Then, suggest how I can use these insights to create a powerful vision for 2025. This sets the foundation for your vision board by giving you clarity on what worked and what needs to change. Now it's time to dream big. Use this prompt to build a detailed picture of your ideal 2025. Prompt. Guide me through creating my dream life for 2025. Ask me 10 thought-provoking questions about my goals, lifestyle, and values. When I've answered them all, summarize my vision into a powerful story I can use for my vision board. This is where the magic happens. Your answers will create a vision that feels personal, motivating, and 100% achievable. Affirmations keep you focused and motivated, so let's craft some that align with your vision. Prompt. Based on my goals for 2025, create 5 affirmations that empower me to stay motivated and aligned. Break them down by relationships, career, family, money, and personal growth. Examples. Money. I attract abundance effortlessly and make smart financial decisions that align with my goals. Career. I thrive in my work, using my talents to create impact and opportunity. Now that you've reflected, dreamed, and affirmed, it's time to bring it all together. Prompt. Help me design a digital vision board for 2025. Summarize my goals and affirmations visually, suggest images or themes to represent each area, and provide a step-by-step guide to creating this board using online tools like Canva. Use this to create a board that's not just pretty, it's a daily reminder of where you're headed. The final step is action. Your vision board means nothing if it stays on the screen. Prompt. Break my 2025 vision into actionable goals. For each goal, provide 3 specific steps I can take in the first 90 days to start making progress. Examples. Health goal. Exercise 3 times a week. Steps. Join a gym, schedule workouts, track progress weekly. Business goal. Launch a side hustle. Steps. Research the market, create a business plan, launch a pilot. Y'all, when I say AI vision boarding changed the game for me, I mean it. I went from feeling overwhelmed about my goals to having a clear, actionable plan that feels achievable. This process helped me see my dreams in a whole new light. It's not just about what I want. It's about how I'm going to get there. If you're tired of making resolutions that don't stick, this is the solution you've been waiting for. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your favorite AI tool and try these prompts to create your own AI vision board. Drop a comment and let me know what your biggest goal for 2025 is. I'd love to hear how you're planning to crush it. If this video gave you a fresh perspective, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's ready to make 2025 their best year.